this way I have a good tool to communicate what images shall be presented when I'm talking what, and this is at the same time the input for the teleprompter. You can do it in many other different ways. This is the one way of doing it. This is the way I do it. At the beginning, I did partially text read from the teleprompter and partially improvised text, but at the end I do everything with teleprompter, or basically I improvise maybe a little bit, but pure improvising and going to the teleprompter, so I was thinking about something and then, okay, where am I? Where shall I continue? And then you see the eyes and it's not working. So basically, I, above all, read, maybe change some words, but not too much improvisation. This is, other people maybe can improvise better. Everybody has to find their way, the best way of doing it. But this teacher communication very important. How you explain what images will go at what time in the video. The importance of subtitling was mentioned also before. You have to handle it. If you have, the good thing is if you have the script that goes to the teleprompter, you have your input almost for the subtitling tool, whatever you're using, you just have to synchronize it. You have to think whether you're going to do several languages, and what tools to use to translate, and how you synchronize. So these are all things that have to be taken. And if we said, define a pilot phase. There will be mistakes. It's important to pilot and don't leave, and you should leave time for this in the planning. I'm about to finish.